everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy shadow look. I'm using one of the new colours called Pink Hibiscus Shimmer, and it is so beautiful. It is a limited edition shade. It's sold out in our warehouses pretty quickly, but I have a couple left in stock if you are after one. So if needing it, don't hesitate to snap it up fast because they won't be with me for very long. So I've just put that in the crease of my lid, and I'm literally just going to blend that out. Tip that I love, windscreen wipers, back and forth, back and forth. If you feel that's not pigmented enough for you, it's always best to go back in and add more product rather than use too much. So you can always build up your colours. So again, added a little bit more of the Pink Hibiscus Shimmer. With a clean brush, I like to gently buff out the edges, just to get rid of any harsh lines. It just makes your work look a little bit cleaner. Okay, the next color I am using is Garnet, my favorite ShadowSense color. Let's be honest, I'm using it all the time. So for this one, I'm going to do this in the outer corner of my eye and bring it up kind of like almost like a C shape, a messy C, but that's what we're going with. And I have a fluffy angled brush, and I find this helps me get better shape by using this brush. And I literally just push it up into the crease, basically placing it where I want it to go. So this is a beautiful deep chocolate brown color. And I love using this product for many shades. If you haven't seen my video, I made a video on 4 different uses for this one product, and it's amazing. I just find it's value for money being able to use one product for so many different things. So here it is, outer corner, and then blending and softening those edges with a clean, fluffy brush. So that's what we have so far. Now to brighten up the look, I'm going to use, again, another one of our limited edition shades called Lava Shimmer. In the tube it looks orange, but oh my god, it's like this golden color. Didn't think it would be one of my favorites, but it is. So again, I stocked up on a few of these, but I'm selling out fast. So if you are loving these colors, making sure you snap them up quickly, because like I said, they don't last very long. Now using a patting brush, I'm gonna pat this in the inner corner of my eye. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Mixed with that pink, it almost gives off like a rose gold sort of look. And how quick is it? Like, I love having shadows done. It makes me feel that little bit prettier. And it's so quick to do. So if you haven't had a play with ShadowSense yet, I strongly encourage you to do so. There we go. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to get a clean brush. Okay, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of this Lava Shimmer in the inner corner of my eye and just on the lower lash line. And I'm just going to gently pat that in so it blends a little bit. And that just makes the eye pop. And with my Garnet, so I'm going to use the wand directly, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line, bringing it to meet that Lava Shimmer. We could get a little creative again and just line up here as well. And how quick is this? For those of you who can relate to me, I have 2 children, so I really can't afford to spend too much time doing my makeup, so I'm all for a quick look. Okay, so there's that. Mascara. Now our Lash Sense is completely waterproof, so it doesn't come off. If you've got hay fever, watery eyes, if you decide to cry for whatever reason, I can get fairly emotional. So yeah, if you decide to cry, your mascara is not going to be going anywhere. Our Lash Sense also contains essential vitamins and minerals, so it's great. As you age, your lashes fall out and they don't regrow as easily. So this helps to give your lashes essential vitamins and minerals to avoid that. Especially if you've had lash extensions. Oh my goodness, killer to your lashes. Well, there you have it, my complete look of my quick ShadowSense application. Once applied, ShadowSense is there to stay for the day. It does not come off. I'm going to do a little smudge test for you. Completely budge proof. I'm going to give a really good rub just so you can see I am actually touching those lids. And the product does not go. Once applied, they are there to stay on. They do not sweat off, they do not smudge off, they do not end up creased in the lids of your eyes, and that is why I use this range. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!